Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Susan and this is my cozy kitchen. Today I am putting together a quick and easy sheet pan meal. Here's my baking stone. I've already sprayed it with a little bit of oil. I have 4 pork chops. They're still partially frozen. I'm going to put them on my stone like this. Then I like to cut some thin slices of butter and put over the top of the pork chops like this. All right, now that I have the pork chops ready, I'm going to peel some potatoes really quick, and then I will set up my mandolin that I got from Pampered Chef, and I will show you what it's like using that. It is amazing. You're going to love seeing it. Before I get started with the potatoes and the mandolin, I'm going to add some broccoli onto my sheet pan. And these are just some frozen broccoli florets. I'm going to put a good amount on here for my family for dinner tonight. Okay, I put up 3 potatoes because I don't need a lot of them tonight. So this is on the whole slices, and I have it on an 8 because I want these to be fairly thick. Because these are kind of small potatoes, I'm going to use my guide, and this is how you do it. And it's done. Look at that, how quick and easy. Next potato. And my last potato, I think. All right, there we are. There are my potatoes. And what I love about that, not only is it fast and easy and I don't have to worry about cutting myself, it's also evenly sliced. So, okay. All right, I have a 1/4 cup of butter. Don't use a ton of butter on this. I like to have enough to give some flavor. Next, I have this steak seasoning. I think I got it at Aldi. It's very flavorful, and I'm going to sprinkle that on my pork chops. Believe it or not, it is amazing on pork chops, and it really is so flavorful with the potatoes. Then I'm going to sprinkle some Good Seasons Zesty Italian dry mix, and I just sprinkle that over the top of the broccoli. I like just a little bit, just enough to give it a little bit of flavor. And believe it or not, that is it. The food is prepped on the sheet pan. I'm getting ready to pop it into the oven. Right, here it is, into the oven. Okay, here it is, fresh out of the oven. The pork chops are a little bit past 160. The potatoes are tender. The broccoli is roasted perfectly. One thing I want to add about this meal, you do not have to be stuck with potatoes and broccoli. You can cook whatever vegetables you want with it. And the same with the meat. This is a sheet pan meal. This is a method. It's not necessarily a recipe. You pick your meat, pick your vegetable, season it, put it in, and let it cook together. This is not limited to just this pork chop and just these potatoes and broccoli. You can do whatever you want to do. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure and give it a big thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, please do so and hit that notification bell so that you find out every time I upload a new video to YouTube. Thanks for watching. God bless.